Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type upper numbers in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to type upper numbers in this Publisher document. Firstly, write some numbers. Firstly, write the first, then write ST. Just select the first and go to the home menu, then select the superscript option, and we can see we type the upper numbers this publisher document very easily. Now we can try another number. Write the second, write 2 ND, then select the number text and go to the home menu, then again click the superscript option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.